Right, now I know this might not make sense to you about my Austin Lee Meredith theory, but like, come on, it's everywhere. 1 of 7 of 13 of 110 is in Star Op Ramen. Whatever. It's a Czech beer. Okay? Check it out. You have 7 letters that are not circled. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13 because you have 11 letters and 2 zeroth dimensional singularities which connect the P and the N and the S and the T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 for the one-dimensional line, 12, 13. Now you have a one-dimensional line and 2 singularities, which is an awful lot like 100, which is upside down, backwards, and flipped is 110. Or 110 can be derived another way. You have a galaxy of ARO, which is a circle around it. You have a galaxy of RAME, which has a circle around it. 2 circles and a 1, upside down, backwards, and flipped. Okay, so think of the word saint. Okay, what is that? That's the 19th letter and the 20th letter making a 39, which is a circled 38. Which is 33 circled 5 times is a 38. It's like saying Saint whatever is the N+1 of Austin Lee Meredith. Saint whatever is the N+1 of Austin Lee Meredith. That's why saints are saints. Because of a number on the table of creation. Sap. Half of an 8. A and a P is a 14, which is half of a 28. And 28 depicts the N+2 reality, where N is equal to 26. And the N+2 reality is Austin Lee Meredith. Okay, guys? So, Horton here's the Who guy. Alright, I'm being sent signs and symbols about free energy and about the truth about our reality, that we live in cellular Earth. Mathematics is cellular. Energy is cellular. What I hear, Austria, they're developing some kind of containment field for a magnetic containment field for energy, using some kind of stupid thing. Fusion reactor, but they need a magnetic containment unit for this fusion reactor. They need a magnetic containment field for a fusion reactor. No, they need a 480 millimeter by 480 millimeter by 480 millimeter free energy cell, where solenoids are going to be sticking out and they dip in. Now think of it this way, like, you know, when I was saying the N+100 reality could be like the portion of the reality of the person pushing it in a 1/4 inch, where our reality is someone pushing it in, I don't know, 7/8 of an inch. I don't know, 7/13 of an inch? Whatever, guy. Mathematics I've done, I believe, is proof. It's my proof, guys. The man who knew infinity. You want to see my proof, guys? You want to see my proof? That was my proof. My proof is you need to make a V. Okay? And then 2 V's, like Jesus and Mary, make an X. Because the human body has, you know, 4 arms and 4 legs, which depict a 34 times 4, which make an X. And you have a head and a torso, which is like a 1 and a dot. So we're up to 12. And when you combine all those bits and pieces together and put a circle around it, it makes a 13, guys, because the circle 12 is a 13. Because you're an X, a 1, and a 0. Yes, you have reproductive organs, which are in the shape of a 1 and a 0. And a 0. And we all have 2 things. One is exit only, and one is exit only and in only. Or they're both exit and in only. So it's a 21 or a 12 or a 22, depending on whatever it is you like to do, which I don't give a shit about. Just being real here, okay? Austin Lee Meredith is appearing in the gematria calculator for a reason. Some kind of, like, I actually put Austin rules the world, where Austin and rules both have a Z instead of an S. That thing has been searched in there like retarded amount of times, guys. So I don't know why. I'm just but an observer. I'm trying to share my point of view. I think I'm doing a very good job of doing that. Not to toot my own horn. Narcissism just means you're right, okay, about something, and it excites you, okay? And I want everyone to come to the same conclusions that I have come to, their own unique way. It's not that hard. It's not supposed to be hard. Decode the signs and symbols. You have to want to do it. Cheers. Use your energy for good sometimes. You know, reflect. That's what meditation is. That's what oneness is with the collective and creator, Austin Lee Meredith, and his creator, the N+1 of Austin Lee Meredith, or the N+3 of our current reality. You can gematria all the things I'm saying, because when I think of energy, when I think of creation, when I speak in truth, weird stuff happens, which is why I write things like I write them, because I feel like I'm writing my Bible. Okay? I feel like I'm being used by the Illuminati with the signs and symbols I'm being given, but anyone can be given these. So I don't want to be anything special. Okay? You have to understand that you are nothing and you are infinite, you are special, and you are worthless. Because we are part of a whole, a collective. We are complete. And 12 is complete, and it's in a circle for fuck's sakes, and that's a 13. Cheers.